My name is Abdul, co-founder of iFormit Solution Incorporation, and I'm into energy, specifically clean tech. And what we do is to help both consumers and utility companies, mostly consumer, to understand their bills and how that works and how that can help them to save money. And we've been able to develop a product that can be able to help them actualize their money saving for both consumer and utility companies. Most importantly, I go up to see my parent look at their utility bill and wondering how that happened, and that really chopped deep into their earning. And you really want to know why your bill is so high. And when you call the utility bill, there's no any kind of answer to that. Then, and at the same time, and now, why I started, I have my own house, then utility bill is also something I need that require me to question a lot of the bill, how the bill is so high, and I don't usually get. And seeing my own children, me growing up now, my children seeing me to also challenge my bill, and those are the bill skyrocketing electricity bill. And I realized that there must be a solution to this, and that was what led me into looking into that solutions and be able to create a way that I can be able to help both the utility companies to help the consumers understand how the bills and the electricity bill works. Most importantly is development of when you start with an idea, and it was because I worked in the utility industry, which is metering companies, and while I was working with them, I realized that a lot of people actually want to know why their bill is high, and we don't really get an answer to that. So why I decided to look at it, the challenges around it is why developing the product. Why the idea, it started from the idea, and going through the idea stage, you understand that it's different from developing the product. The idea stage really thinking about something, then putting it into reality is so much difficult, especially when you are developing an hardware product. And the hardware product development process was really challenging. And also when you need to, my background is just software, and I needed a hardware engineer. When you need to put people together, and you need to put people who believe in what you are doing, who can stick with you, also trying to find those kind of people, and is also very challenging. And when you finally find them, and putting those pieces together, and going to testing, developing the first prototype was actually a big challenge in terms of product, component sourcing, and also after component sourcing and meeting the compliance standard and all of that, they are very challenging. And at the same time, money to also push the product forward, and at the same time going into the market through time, which is the stage we have now to go to market. And those are the stages. Every stages of the business are very challenging. What I'm so proud of is when we release our MVP. So when we released the MVP this is a journey that has been coming since 2014. And in 2024, February 2024, we were able to come up with the real MVP product, which is minimum viable product. And that came out in February 2024, and we were able to test that with at least 2 customers. And today, I can say we have 12 customers using the product, and that is one thing I can be so proud of myself and my team, and everyone that have made that to be successful today. And today we could be, that is also one of the things that actually paved way for us to be able to be doing pilot with my own bay today, and which is the things I need to be proud of in terms of what we have achieved so far. In 10 years from now, we are projecting to have our products across the whole of Canada. Then secondly, my hometown where I'm from, we are projecting to have our product at least dominating. We have 11 distribution companies. We are looking at least having 2 or 3 of those distribution companies, and by 10 years from now, we think we should be at least going above our 5 million annual revenue projection. Entrepreneurship is like a tunnel. When you find yourself in that tunnel, you don't see inside the tunnel. You don't see light, right? And your determination, your persistence, and your commitment to what you are doing, and any entrepreneur needs to build that. If you know you are going to being an entrepreneur, you have to have that persistence, and you have to have that commitment, and you have to have that knowledge of what you are doing, and you also need to ask. So asking, be persistent, knowing what you are doing, those are the kind of light that you need to pass through the tunnel. And if you have all of that, and you are persistent enough, and you truly know what you are doing, and I think that's the way for you to get to that where you are going as an entrepreneur, because it's a journey, and every stages need those kind of, every stages in the tunnel need those elements for you to pass through. Just be yourself and know what you are doing and keep pushing it.